Hello, new authors. Welcome to the Newbie Fiction Writers Workshop series. This workshop is tailored for aspiring authors who want to transform their story ideas into a published book on Amazon KDP. Let's embark on this exciting journey from concept to self-publishing together. There is no single right way to write. Your style and voice may evolve as you gain experience. To start, create a welcoming and comfortable environment that nurtures your writing journey. First things first. Let's create a comfortable writing environment. Whether you prefer writing at a desk at home, a coffee shop, or a library, consistency is key. Ensure your chosen spots are easily accessible whenever inspiration strikes. If noise and distractions are an issue, or if you don't have noise-canceling headphones, opt for a quiet location. Where are your ideal writing spots? Although many writers favor working with a PC or laptop, today's technology lets you use the same software apps on your phone and tablet as you do on your computer, thanks to cloud storage. For example, apps like Microsoft 365 and Google Docs make your work interchangeable across devices. Some writers still enjoy using a pen and pad. What's your preferred method of writing? Okay. Let the fun begin. Spend the next half hour writing. You can use one of three following prompts or create one of your own. This is just an exercise, unless you'd like to include it in your fiction story. 1. Your character works at a zoo and finds out the animals can talk after midnight. 2. A man throws an elaborate party to cover up a murder. 3. Two best friends go on a road trip and encounter an unexpected problem. Remember, this is an exercise. Don't worry about editing. Most authors don't edit their books until after the first draft. Just write and have fun. Until next time, Series 2, keep practicing.